My name's Michael Potton. I'm the Director of AMK Container Services. We cart containers, export hay and import meat. We've had fairly organic growth over a number of years. We've stuck with our major clients and most of those have grown over time and we've just grown with them. We're basically fourth generation in trucks. The container business started with Dad in the 70s and he worked his way from a subcontractor right up to getting his own clients, and the clients that he got, the client base that we have has grown organically over that time, and we've just basically grown to service and meet their needs. Our fleet mainly consists of all American style prime movers and freighter scale trailers. We only run 2 or 3 different types of freighter trailer. We run 40-foot only STO3s in the lightweight, in A double combinations and single combinations, and we have A trailers, B double sets and retractable scales for doing our local 20-foot work. When we needed a specific need of trailer within the industry, we approached a few different manufacturers to try and get what we needed specifically, and Freighter basically came up with the solution that we needed for our business. Since those trailers were developed, we've only bought freighters because we've found that the brand's good, the quality's good and the reliability's good. Maxi-trans have been really valuable for our business, part of the key to our success, so I'd have no hesitation in recommending Maxi-trans to anybody. Freighter trailers have been really reliable for us, which is why we keep going back to the brand. The build quality's been excellent, and having the local based support with their workshop and maintenance has been really handy for us to minimise downtime.